Okay, hi. We put an explosive charge in your head. Does this sound familiar? The rabbit's foot. Where is it?
I gave it to you.
Ethan, where is the rabbit's foot?
What are you saying? That wasn't what I gave you?
Well, I'm going to count to 10. You are going to tell me where the rabbit's foot is, or, well, she dies.
Yours is going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Do you understand?
1!
You listen to me. I got exactly what you asked for. Did you want something else? Because there is some misunderstanding. I will fix it. I can get it.
2!
Listen to me. Talk to me. We can talk. Like gentlemen.
3!
God! I know what the rabbit's foot is. I can help you.
The way you helped me on the airplane? That way?
You put the gun down. I am not talking to you like this.
Well, that's your choice, 4.
The rabbit's foot is in Paris. You want to know where in Paris? Another go, 'cause you will not.
It's not in Perry. 5!
I can get it for you. But if you kill her, you do this, you get nothing, nothing. You are listening to me. The only way you're going to get what you want is...
Wait a minute. You think that I am playing? You don't think I'll do it? Where is it? Where the hell is it?
Look at me.
Where the hell is it?
Look at me. Stay with me.
7?
I'm gonna kill you. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
8!
Please don't do this! Let her go! I promise you! I promise I can figure out how to get what you want, I promise!
9!
Listen! Listen to me!
Listen to me.
I want to help you. I want to help you whenever you want. But you got to do what is right. What you know is right. No! No! No!
10.